In 2010, a research carried out by government discovered that there are about 30,000 students have taken drugs before. What is more serious is that there are drugs abusers in almost all the secondary schools which participate in this research. What should be done to tackle this problem? Education. But you may ask that government had done it for a long time. The fact is, what they have done is not enough. According to a survey done by Narcotics Division, 42% of teenage interviewees thought that drugs can help them reduce stress. Some of them even believe that drugs are not addictive. It shows that the current boring education is not effective to rectify teenagers' misconception of taking drugs. More interesting education is needed. For example, games about harmful effects of drugs and role-acting games to practice refusal skill when they are offered drugs. More and more education for parents is also the key to combat teenage drug appeal. Lam Kang-man, 70 years old, is the father of a 50-year-old boy who admitted taking ecstasy. He doesn't know what to do because his son don't talk to him. At that time, education helps. Group activity need to be held for improving parental skill and or recognizing the signs of drugs appeal among their children. Some people may argue that enhancing the penalty of taking drugs is more effective than education. According to a survey which conducted by Narcotics Division, shows that increasing number of teenagers take drugs at home. So, how can police recognize them or accuse them? The power of increasing penalty of taking drugs is very low. Besides, the power of school drugs testing scheme is also overestimated. Students have the right to refuse the test, and also the test is not 100% accurate. It cannot fully recognize the drug abuser. As a result, education is the only way to change student mind and stop them from taking drugs. So, education is the more effective way to reduce the number of teenage drugs abusers.